In this video, I am going to share with you a step-by-step pattern for making this beautiful car appliques. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to DIY Crafts. For this, I am using 4-ply cotton yarn along with a 3mm crochet hook. However, you can use your favorite yarn along with its suitable hook size. Now let's begin by making a slip knot and then make chain 10. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So once the chain 10 is completed, let's start making the first row. For this, make chain 1 and then skip the first chain from the hook. That means insert the hook into the 10th chain and then make one single crochet stitch. Now continue to make one single crochet stitch in each and every chain throughout the foundation chain. So you will have 10 single crochet stitches by the end of the first row. Just keep a count on it and make one single stitch in each and every chain. Do not miss any chain, and at the same time do not make extra stitches in any chain, so that you will get an exact count of 10 single stitches by the end of the first row. So after completing the first row, make chain 1 and then turn the excess thread. So chain 1 in every row. I am ignoring that chain as a stitch. So turn your work and make one single stitch in each and every stitch. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This completes the second row, and in the second row also you will have 10 single stitches. Again chain 1 and turn your work and make one single stitch in each and every stitch, just like in the second row. So that's the third one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now for the fourth row, begin with chain 4. After making chain 1, turn your work and then continue to make the remaining chains. So that's chain 2, 3 and 4. Now skip 4 chains, the 4 stitches, that's 2, 3 and 4, and now into the 5th stitch make one triple crochet stitch. If you want, you can make double crochet stitch also. So make one triple crochet stitch, and this is how the shape looks like. Now make chain 3, then skip 2 more stitches and then into the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now for the next row, begin with chain 1, turn your work, and now into the chain 3 space make 5 single stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make one single stitch over the triple crochet stitch. Just insert the needle on the top of the triple stitch and make one single stitch. Now into the next gap make 5 more single crochet stitches over the chain. So just make, that's the second one, that's the third one, 4, 5. If your chain is too loose and the 5 stitches are not able to cover up the chain, make 1 or 2 more single crochet stitches into the same gap and then continue to make one single stitch all around the car. So here I am making one single crochet stitch across the third row, one single stitch across the second row and one single stitch across the first row. Now to give the turning a nice shape, make 2 single crochet stitches into the base chain. Now carefully insert the needle into the foundation chain and into the same chain make 2 single crochet stitches. So this gives the nice turning for that corner. Now continue to make one single crochet stitch in each and every stitch across the chain, that's the foundation chain, the bottom 2 loops. So make one single stitch, include the tail end while you work the single crochet stitches, so you don't have to weave in those last tail end by the end of the project. So once you have done all the 10 single stitches, you have reached the second corner, and into that make one more single crochet stitch across the first row, one stitch across the second row, and then last one stitch across the third row, and one more double single crochet stitch into that corner stitch. Now on the top 2 stitches make 2 more single crochet stitches, and into the last chain make the last slip stitch and then make chain 1. Now trim the excess thread by leaving a small tail end. Now using a tapestry needle, hide the tail end into the project. Now take the tail end into the tapestry needle and insert the tail end to the back side as shown in the video. Now you can pass the tail end through the nearby stitches by inserting the tapestry needle into it. And then now trim and cut the excess threads from the starting and ending tail ends. And this part completes the stitching part. And now let's continue to stitch the tires of the car. Here I am using the red shade. Begin with the magic ring and then make chain 1. Now into the center make 8 single crochet stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now close the magic ring and then make a slip stitch onto the top of the first stitch. Make chain 1 and then trim the excess thread. Now repeat the same pattern for the second tire also. So this completes 2 tires. Once both the tires are done, hide all the tail ends using the tapestry needle with the technique just shown before. Now I am going to attach these 2 ties using a glue. If you want, you can attach them using a thread. Attach it by checking the position and let it dry. And for the headlight, I am just using a sketch pen to highlight the headlight part. And that's it. Your cute car applique is now ready to use it on your favorite crochet projects. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do give this pattern a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to DIY Crafts.